Welcome to Gadget Hunter.
Here are the top 5 best products. Number 1. The ThunderBeam TD80 Pro is a compact, Wi-Fi enabled projector for home theaters and presentations. Number 2. This Lenovo portable projector offers impressive 4K visuals for home theater and movie nights outdoors. Number 3. This Horlet projector offers an impressive 35,000 lumens for a home theater movie night experience. Number 4. The Magcubic 580 ANSI autofocus projector is a powerful home cinema solution with impressive features. Number 5. The ThunderBeam 2K 4K Full HD 1080p projector offers a home theater experience outdoors easily. Number 6. The upgraded HY300 projector offers improved 2025 4K Android 11 performance with native 1080p cinema capabilities. Number 7. The Horlet T03N is a portable, high-quality projector perfect for home theaters and presentations.